Cardano cost most certainly equivalent to $0.3762 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 0.3752 to 0.3783, which especially is very critical. The earlier day close, 0.3783, which certainly is genuinely huge. The change especially was 0.0021, 0.56%, which explicitly is very critical. Backwards rate, USD to ADA, or so they truly thought. Cardano value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future in-month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost $0.39. By and large most extreme 0.42, exceptionally least 0.36, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.38, essentially greatest 0.41, least 0.35, which especially is very critical. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.38. For the most part greatest 0.41, exceptionally least 0.35, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano estimate on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.38, sort of greatest 0.41, fundamentally least 0.35 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost $0.38, most certainly greatest 0.41, most certainly least 0.35, which truly is very critical. In multi-week Cardano gauge on Monday, June 12, cost $0.40, exceptionally most extreme 0.43, really least 0.37 in an especially significant way. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.40, most extreme 0.43, sort of least 0.37, which certainly is very critical. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.41, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.44, genuinely least 0.38 in a fundamentally enormous way. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.40, truly most extreme 0.43, least 0.37 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano conjecture on Friday, June 16, cost $0.39, sort of greatest 0.42, in every way that really matters, least 0.36, or so they thought. In about 14 days Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 19, cost $0.39, truly greatest 0.42, really least 0.36 in a very enormous way. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.40, especially greatest 0.43, kind of least 0.37 in a significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.39, especially greatest 0.42, by and large least 0.36, or so they generally thought. Cardano figure on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.39, kind of greatest 0.42, beautiful least 0.36 in an essentially significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 23, cost $0.39, most certainly greatest 0.42, lovely least 0.36, showing how the earlier day close, 0.3783, which certainly is very huge. In 3 weeks Cardano estimate on Monday, June 26, cost $0.39, all things considered, most extreme 0.42, really least 0.36, which fundamentally is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.40, by and large greatest 0.43, especially least 0.37, which most certainly is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.40, beautiful most extreme 0.43, essentially least 0.37, which fundamentally is very huge. Cardano figure on Friday, June 30, cost $0.41, greatest 0.44, least 0.38, or so they for the most part thought. In about a month Cardano cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost $0.40, in every practical sense, greatest 0.43, all things considered, least 0.37, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.41, fundamentally greatest 0.44, least 0.38, showing how Cardano gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.38, extremely most extreme 0.41, especially least 0.35 in an all things considered, significant way. USD to ADA conversion scale equivalent to 2.6582 coins per $1. So today, S exchange cost range 0.3752 to 0.3783, which explicitly is very critical. Today, S reach 2.6434 minus 2.6652 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S nearby 2.6434, which basically is very critical. Change for now plus 0.0148. Plus 0.56%, which essentially is very huge. USD to ADA cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost 2.564 coins, kind of greatest 2.778, beautiful least 2.381 in a significant way. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 2.632 coins, especially greatest 2.857, really least 2.439. So the change in every practical sense was 0.0021, 0.56%, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 7, cost 2.632 coins, really most extreme 2.857, least 2.439, which sort of is genuinely huge. USD to ADA forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 2.632 coins, sort of most extreme 2.857, certainly least 2.439, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Friday, June 9, cost 2.632 coins, kind of most extreme 2.857, least 2.439, which basically is very critical. And multi-week USD to ADA forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 2.500 coins, certainly most extreme 2.703, fundamentally least 2.326, or so they truly thought. Dollar to Cardano figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost 2.500 coins, exceptionally greatest 2.703, especially least 2.326, or so they generally thought. USD to ADA expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 2.439 coins, kind of most extreme 2.632, really least 2.273. Certainly further appearance how Cardano gauge on Friday, June 16, cost $0.39, genuinely greatest 0.42, sort of least 0.36, which sort of is genuinely huge. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost 2.500 coins, sort of most extreme 2.703, sort of least 2.326, so Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 23, cost $0.39, truly greatest 0.42, really least 0.36, exhibiting how the earlier day close 0.3783. USD to ADA expectation on Friday, June 16, cost 2.564 coins, most certainly greatest 2.778, lovely least 2.381, which truly is very critical. In about 14 days, dollar to Cardano figure on Monday, June 19, cost 2.564 coins, kind of most extreme 2.7